Hello everyone, my name is Josephine and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am an avid solo traveler and I have been to around 4 countries and never filmed my travels. And I thought to myself, why not film it and share it with you guys, because it would inspire at least one person and I would be really glad to be an inspiration to all the women out there who are doubting themselves and thinking twice whether or not they should book that solo trip. You should. Trust me. And I've got this creator combo Osmo Pocket 4 which I want to unbox here today so that I can film all of my travel videos and hopefully it can inspire you guys. So let's unbox this bad boy. Okay, so let's open this packet. Let me first remove everything that is there inside this box. Okay, that's it. I think this is the instruction manual. And this is the pouch. It has all the accessories fitted inside this little pouch, which I think is super handy and portable. These are for the mic, and it is super tiny. There is one more, so you can switch between the gray one and the black one. This is the fill light. And this is the wide angle lens that's included in this creator combo. It is super tiny. I think all of these accessories are so tiny and so cute. I am most excited about this mic. Just look at how pretty and cute this is. These are the mic accessories. This is the magnetic clip-on and the clip for the mic. This is an extension and also you can charge from here. This is kind of like a lanyard to hold your Osmo. Oh, this is a tripod. Look at the size of this. It's so small. And this is the charger. C-type cable. Nothing special to it, it's just a normal C-type cable. There we go. The Osmo Pocket. Wow. Wow, this is so beautiful. I can't wait to use and vlog with this. That's This is the protective case. And are we ready to turn this on? Yes. I just need to remove this as well. Oh. I don't know if you can see this. I'm just going to turn it off for now. And this is the last thing. This is the pouch, another pouch where you can carry your stuff. And that's about it. This is the instructions manual. And some stickers. Pretty cool. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I can't wait to film with this Osmo Pocket, and subscribe to my channel to watch more content. Thank you for now. Bye.